Hello and welcome to another video tutorial for community accounts. In this video tutorial we're going to focus on the main well-being page under the well-being and indicators section of the site. The well-being and indicators section of community accounts includes data that aims to quantify the well-being or happiness of a community. So in order to get to this section, I'm going to click the well-being and indicators icon and I'm going to select the community of Gander. At the top of the page you'll see our usual option to change geography, as well as a button to select one of the analytical features, and to explore personal indicators. These options will be explored in later videos. In the Wellbeing section, beneath the overview of the Wellbeing account, you'll see that there are currently 14 objective indicators of well-being, which deal with demographics, income, education, and other areas, as well as 4 subjective indicators, which deal with people's perception of their lives, health, and communities. In addition to these indicators of well-being, this page also includes a large number of headline indicators that are taken from the tables and charts throughout the site and are sorted by account. These will be covered in a headline indicators video. Focusing for now on the well-being indicators, all the subjective indicators have confidence intervals and come from the Canadian Community Health Survey, also known as the CCHS. So in the case of the percentage of population with excellent or very good self-assessed health status for Gander, the value is 51.8% plus or minus 15.1%. This is the confidence interval. For each of the indicators, you can mouse over or click the word About next to each indicator for a brief explanation of the indicator. So in the case of low-income incidence, if you mouse over About, you'll see that incidence of low income, also known as the head count, measures the proportion of families with income below the low-income threshold. For each of the indicators, the colored square next to the value of the indicator is the well-being rank. To assess how a particular community is doing in relation to the other communities in the province, we rank them according to its indicator value. To do this, we take all communities for a particular indicator which are available and arrange them from having the most negative effect on well-being to having the most positive effect on well-being. The closest match to the bottom 25% of all communities are denoted by red squares. The middle 50% of all communities are denoted by yellow squares, and the top 25% are denoted by green squares. In the case of Gander, the average couple family income for 2009 was $94,400. This puts it in the upper 25% of all communities, so it's assigned a green square. In the column to the right of the squares, we can see the community ranks. In the case of average couple family income, Gander ranks 14th out of 285 communities for which this indicator is available. You can explore the indicators in greater depth by using the ranks table, the well-being charts, and the well-being map. So we're going to cover those in separate videos to follow.